The next generation of intelligent transport systems for smart, interconnected and sustainable mobility is shaping the future of smart cities. By enhancing the interaction between the city infrastructure, the public tram network and private vehicles, the Elastic project will create an integrated, safe and smart urban mobility environment. With less accidents, efficient traffic management and reduced maintenance costs. Sensors and cameras located at the city along the tram network and onboard the trams generate a massive amount of data on the tram position, the presence of obstacles and the mobility of citizens and vehicles. A distributed computing infrastructure combining resources at the edge, close to the data, and the cloud, collects and processes all this information. The novel software architecture developed by Elastic enables the development of advanced big data analytics that transform this data into valuable real-time knowledge on the city traffic conditions, potential hazards, and statistics for traffic management. At the same time, important requirements such as real-time response, security, energy efficiency, and communication quality are guaranteed. This novel Elastic software solution is applied on 3 smart mobility applications that aim to improve the overall transportation network performance and, thus, the quality of life of citizens. A next-generation autonomous positioning and advanced driving assistance system to locate obstacles across the tram trajectory and promptly alert the driver. Predictive maintenance along the track lines to automate track maintenance tasks and reduce costs. Interaction between public and private transportation to improve the quality of the city traffic management and enhance safety. Elastic project, providing the technologies for the development of novel and safe autonomous mobility services.